when I was a child. And I remember them talking about recycling, talking about one person can make a difference. And now we are making a difference. 2 people are able to provide this service and think of how many items we're keeping out of the landfill and, helping folks out. I'm Heather with Casper Curbside Recycling. I'm owner-operator, and basically we're the recycling company that comes to you. We like to say that we're recycling made easy. I was working with somebody already through the Wyoming Women's Business Center, and she just happened to bring it up one day and said, hey, I think you would be a wonderful candidate for this IDA program. That's a no-brainer. This sounds wonderful.
IDA stands for Individual Development Account, and it's given that name because it's more than just a savings program. Our goal at the Wyoming Women's Business Center is to help people become financially independent and improve their economic status, thus improving the economy of the state of Wyoming. The IDA program is where the applicant or the individual or the couple saves money on a monthly basis over a period of time towards a specific dollar goal. If they are successful, we will match that dollar for dollar. This isn't a loan, this is in essence a grant, and the money can be used for asset purchases. Buying a home is an asset purchase. If it's a business, asset purchases may be an item of equipment. Because of a grant that we've received from the Wyoming Women's Foundation, we are trying to expand this into education.
The Wyoming Women's Foundation invests in economic self-sufficiency for women and opportunities for girls. We always say that when women and girls prosper, communities thrive as well. And not everyone in Wyoming is attaining self-sufficiency. And so when we were looking for a new granting program and a new grantee partner, the Wyoming Women's Business Center actually hits on those pathways to self-sufficiency through their IDA program. And we felt that that was a really great investment for our granting dollars, as we're really investing in those communities and we're making grants to make those communities stronger and better.
This is something that anybody can qualify if they're willing to put in the work in order to receive the funds. 1, you have to save the money. 2, you have to take a financial training class, which is an online self-paced class. And then 3, you have to write a business plan. If you're looking at using the funds for educational purposes, we just have you take the financial training online.
For us, the one that we utilized was they were going to do our matched savings. Ultimately, that's what we used it for, was to apply the money to buying a new vehicle. I mean, we're far more efficient with the new pickup truck. It definitely set us off on a good foot. The class was really easy to take, and I could just do it on my own time. And then before you knew it, I had saved enough that they would match the funds, and it was done. It was like beautiful.
We are certainly looking for more people to be involved. 2 ways you can get started. You can give us a call at our office and we can forward you the documents, or you can go to our website, wyomingwomen.org. It has the application and the forms you need to submit and the process that you need to walk through. Wyoming is a great place to live, and we want to help people stay in Wyoming. So we want to help them maintain their lifestyles here in this great state while improving the state as a whole through our IDA program.